Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually run C++ in Visual Studio Code. Add extension, let's say, uh, first of all, code runner. So type code runner and press enter, and then you will find the first one. You can see 33 million download. Okay, so you just have to install it, and it will actually start installing, and we will install one more extension that is called C++. Press enter. Extension, you can actually install it, and I will say main GW, and here I will download it. So it will actually start downloading. So I will click on it, then install. Then you can see the path is in C drive, right? Okay, so continue. Okay, so now we can actually continue, and here is the manager. Okay, installation manager, and I want to actually download these two, the second one and this one. So I will click on this, and I will set mark for installation, and this one also I'll select mark for installation. Okay, then I will click on installation here, and I will say apply changes, and then I will click on apply. Here you can see all changes were applied successfully. You may now close the dialog, so I can actually close it. You have to set up the environment variable. Let's say I will type here environment, and here you can see setting best match, edit the system environment variables. Okay, so click here and click here environment variables, and you just have to select the path, and you can edit it. Okay, click on edit, and then new, and I need to know the new path. Okay, so for this I have to go to the this PC. Here you can see, or you can go through file manager. So this PC, and in the local disk C. Why? Because I have installed min GUI here. Okay, min GW. So you just have to double click on it, get inside it, and then select the bin and go inside it. And what you have to do, you just have to copy the path. So copy it, cut it, go click here new, paste it, and save it. Okay, okay. So now I'm going to open a folder, and I'm going to click here open, and here you can see I'm in web development drive, and here I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to say here that CPP programming. Okay, CPP tutorials, let's say, and I'm going to add it. So here I'm going to click on the file button, new file, and here I'm going to say that test dot, the extension for the C++ is CPP. Okay, so I'm going to say here hash include IOSTREM, and I'm going to say here using namespace std. I'll say here int main, and I'm going to say here cout. I'll say here hello world. I'm going to say here inline. So I'm going to run it. So you can see hello world. Okay. So this is how actually you can run C++ program in Visual Studio Code.